Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to convert low quality videos to 1080p using your VLC media player. So, if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your VLC media player. Then if you don't have one, just go to browser, any browser that you are using, and then search for VLC and then download one. Okay, then after that, once you open your VLC media player, click media. You can see it on the upper left side of your screen, and then click convert/save. And then here you want to click add, and then choose any videos that you want. Then after that, click convert/save. And then here on the profile, you want to click this drop down button and then choose video for MPEG-4 1080p TV/device. Then after that, go to browse just by clicking this browse button. Then here, choose any file or folder where you want to put your converted video. Then click save. And then here, if you want to watch or view the video that you converted, just click start and it will start the video. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.